So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today's video is going to be really quick. Just wanted to announce and pick a winner for the GOVEE Dreamcolor LED strip. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so big shout out to everyone subscribed to the channel. Big shout out to everyone that's entered for a chance to win this. And of course, if you guys don't win this particular item, stay tuned. Plenty of giveaways coming up. Always have giveaways on my channel, so make sure you subscribe, make sure your notification bell is checked. So the GOVEE LED kit is a really cool item to have in your household. I know that I've been playing with it ever since I got it, guys. Got it hooked up to my Amazon devices and I'm able to power it on, adjust the color, and it's a really cool device. Very bright, very premium, also looks really good, and I can't say enough about it. So currently the price is $69.99 on Amazon. However, there is a 25% coupon code in the description as well as the comment section, which will knock off $17 off it. I believe that brings it down to $52. So this coupon is only until March 12th, so if you're interested and you didn't win this particular giveaway, the price is pretty good for right now. So a couple things that it does, guys. One of my favorite modes, of course, was the sound mode, where it essentially listens to the music, and it does have different modes where it has a rolling effect, it has the music adjustment, and it has different effects that listens to the voice and changes the color and the tone of the LED based on the sound. Also, the video mode is a selling feature on this. The video mode, basically the camera that peers over the TV looks at the colors in the main corners of your TV, so the four corners that we use to calibrate the camera, and what it does, it changes the color independently in each region based on what's being showed. So cool, very cool. So in order to be eligible for this giveaway, you needed to do three things: subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, also drop a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section of this video. So big shout out to Troop, big shout out to Lou Flores, Alicia Gregg, big shout out to Pastor Robinson, big shout out to Phyllis Howard, big shout out to Michelle Baker, and I can go on and on. Everyone that dropped a comment, essentially you're automatically entered to win. So before we pick a winner, big shout out to GOVEE for sponsoring this giveaway. How this will work is, once I pick a winner, I will grab that person's information, ship it off to GOVEE. They will send the LED strip to you directly. So for you guys that are new to the channel, new to giveaways, what I do is a completely random process, guys. Use the random picker for YouTube. What that does is go through the comment section, pick a comment, and that's essentially how winners pick. Now this is also cool because it doesn't reward you for commenting multiple times. So if you drop 5 comments, it doesn't improve your chances. It only looks for unique comments. So this is the only way that will keep it fair, and it's not an overcomplicated process. So what I'll do is I'll just paste the URL from the YouTube video, go to the comments. You can see found 61 unique comments, so essentially 61 entries. So let's go ahead and pick a winner. So good luck to everyone. Here we go. So today's winner is Lou Flores, and Lou said, "Triple M, this is a cool find, a nice product, good price point, liked and shared." So big shout out to Lou. Lou, I'm not sure if you won before on this channel, but here it doesn't matter. You can win as many times as long as you have the luck of the draw. So that's it for this video. Big shout out to everyone. Big shout out to the winner. Stay tuned. More giveaways coming up. More cool videos. Make sure you keep up with the channel. Make sure your notification bells check. Smash that thumbs up on the videos as well. Share these videos if you think it might help someone else. So thank you guys for watching. Again, happy Sunday, and I'll catch you on the next one.